for a business looking to grow, do you have any recommendation?
Yes, you. I've got to definitely recognize you, James, because I was paying a ridiculous amount of money to Google every month and wasn't getting a fraction of the results that I'm getting when you and I connected. I think the first day you turned it on, I had as many calls in 24 hours that I think I had in 6 weeks my way. I never really want to tell you all that because I don't want my revenue to go up.
But I appreciate that.
I mean, but I just think that, I wanted to take this opportunity though and I hope your viewers see it. Yeah, I've dealt with a lot of people in the aspect of supporting business, and I don't think I've ever met anyone that is as honest and hardworking and as good at communicating as you are. And I just want to take a second to thank you so much because you actually reignited some fire in me in the hope department for the future of our company because, we lost our son. Yeah, our oldest son. When I started working on my own, Tyler was Tyler was 3 years old back in August. He went from a 3-year old to an 8-year, beautiful, awesome dent technician. And the outpour from customers and people has just been incredible. So to have you in our support system to help us advance to new places and come up with more creative ways to get our name out and just help more people and serve, we consider you like a big part of this family. And I've never met you face to face. It's just, you being a veteran is enough for me. And then everything else that I've learned in the last few months working with you. How long has it been now? A year, maybe a year.
About a year.
So I just thank you for that. Having yourself having switches turn on and turn off in different areas where we need things worked. Just you seem to make it work. I don't remember. But I'm just what I'm saying though is that you're a part of several people that have been holding my wife and myself up and long enough to where we were able to gather ourselves back together and we could actually get back to what might be a new normal for us. But hope and dreams have come back now. I want to compliment you and say how awesome our experience has been with you, James. And I appreciate that, everything you've done for us. You really kind of made opportunities, create opportunities. And we have new doors that we didn't know were possible. We haven't even opened some of them yet. We're on our way. Get organized, get yourself someone like James here.
And I really do appreciate all your wisdom and sharing some really poignant moments with us. So once again, thank you and take care, everybody, and God bless.
God bless. Thank you. Appreciate you having me on.